Open the door on the side of the machine and remove the brewing unit. Remove these 4 screws. Next, remove the small tray that was underneath the brewing unit. You can remove this small plate. Here you will see the water inlet valve. It has 2 screws holding it in place. Remove these and pull the water inlet valve out of the machine. After removing the valve, check for 2 O-rings here. If you don't see them, look inside the machine and remove both O-rings. Ensure the water inlet valve has 2 O-rings and install it into the machine and put both screws back into the water inlet valve. Replace the black plastic piece and reinstall the 4 screws. Replace the small tray underneath the brewing unit and then reinstall the brewing unit.